Installing a Joomla template is simple and can be done in just a few steps. Here's how you can do it. Download the template. First, you need to download the Joomla template. You can find both free and paid templates from various template providers or Joomla's official template directory. Ensure the template is compatible with your Joomla version. Log into Joomla admin panel. Once you have the template file, log into your Joomla admin panel by visiting the following link. Navigate to Template Manager. From the Joomla dashboard, go to Extensions, Manage Install. This will take you to the page where you can install extensions, including templates. Upload the template. Under the Upload Package File section, click the Choose File button and select the downloaded template.zip file. Click Upload and Install to start the installation process. Activate the template. After installation, go to Extensions, Templates, Styles. Find the newly installed template and click the star icon next to it to set it as the default template. Customize the template. You can further customize the template by clicking on Extensions, Templates, and configuring its settings such as colors, layout, and fonts.